Welcome to Saswan!
Saswan. Bakit Saswan? Di ba dapat Saswan?
Kaya nga tayo nandito para alamin natin. Tara, pasyal natin ang Saswan.
Bago pa dumating ang mga Kastila sa Pilipinas, ang orihinal na pangalan ng bayan ay Sasmuan, na nanggaling sa matandang salitang Kapampangan na ang ibig sabihin ay Pitabnuan, na ang ibig sabihin sa Ingles ay meeting place. Sa kasamaang palad mula noong rehimen ng mga Kastila at ng pananakop ng mga Amerikano, ang pangalan ng bayan ay napalitan ng Sexmoan. Kung minsan, ito ay binibigkas na Seximoon, at ang mga tao ay napapahiya dahil sila ay may pabirong tatak na sexy. Sa pagsusumikap ng mga lokal na namumuno, napalitan ang pangalang Sexmoan at ginamit ang orihinal na pangalang Sasmuan. Noong 1971, ibinalik na mga otoridad ng pamahalaan ng Sasmuan na siyang tawag hanggang ngayon.
Nasa unang distrito ang mga munisipyo ng Bacolor, Floridablanca, Guagua, Lubao, Binalin, Masantol, Macabebe, Santa Rita. Kabilang dito ang Sasmuan, Porac at lungsod ng Angeles.
Si Monico R. Mercado, anak ng mag-asawang Romulo Mercado at Simona del Rosario, ay isinilang noong ika-4 ng Mayo, taong 1875 sa Sasmuan, Pampanga. Nahirang siyang kinatawan ng Sasmuan matapos siyang sumapi sa pangkat ni General Tomas at naging kawani sa hukuman ng unang dulugan hanggang makasama siya sa Palma Tirona Mercado Law Firm. Ang mahalagang ginawa niya ay ang paghihiwalay ng Sasmuan sa Guagua, na noon ay bahagi nito.
Don Monico Mercado Monument. Ito ay itinayo bilang parangal kay Don Monico Mercado. Matatagpuan ito sa harap ng munisipyo ng Sasmuan. Siya ang kumatawan sa Pampanga sa unang kapulungan sa Pilipinas. Ang ikalawa ay ang Santa Lucia Parish Church. Isa ito sa matandang simbahan sa Pampanga.
Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Santa Lucia Parish Church dito sa Sasmuan. Okay, naitayo noong pang 1600s. Dito nagaganap ang iba't ibang sakramento. Katulad ngayon, makikita natin ay may ilinadaos na kasal. Tara!
The establishment of the church in this part of Pampanga, Sexmoan, was made popular and famous. It started with the construction of the small, bamboo-made improvised capilla, just sufficient to give temporary shelter to the new converts in the year 1595. Later in the same place was erected a concrete church and finished by that time in 1827. With this church, people were attracted to migrate to Sasmuan. This church lasted for almost 3 centuries, defying two world war until in 1955, when the gigantic task of renovation, expansion, and beautification was started by Monsignor Diosdado Pistorio, parish priest.
In 1674, the Augustinian friars founded the barrio of Sasmuan. During the pre-Spanish period, the aborigines of the town of Sasmuan were the Negritos. They worshipped a supreme god known as Anito. Domestic and social life revealed that the early Sasmoneños had a culture of their own. There were existing laws made by the Datu. Trials were held in public. Their early occupations were fishing and firewood gathering. The musical instrument common to them was the flute. They had wood carving which they designed on the wooden handles of their bolos and spears.
During the Spanish period, fishing was the major industry. Christianity gained a foothold in the sitio in 1590 through the establishment of the parish of St. Lucy. In 1674, the colorful fiesta in honor of the patron saint is held every December 13th of the year.
Hindi po papunta ako kay eskwelang mumunang pribadong eskwelang Nita Lacadena sa Sasmuan since 1982. Grabe po ni St. Lucy School of the Archdiocese of Pampanga, former St. Lucy School of Pampanga.
The parochial schools were the first schools established by the missionaries, particularly the St. Lucy School of the Archdiocese of Pampanga, former St. Lucy Parochial School. The missionaries were the first teachers.
In the economic aspect, the fishing is the main source of livelihood of the Sasmoneños. To live up with the industry from which the majority of the people derive their income. When it comes to cuisine, Sasmuan is well known of its polvoron, tamales, palatpat, tabang talangka, eko, and taklang dagis.
Isis Sweets is one of only two companies producing sweets in Sasmuan, Pampanga. The company, led by its general manager, Lucia P. Miranda, produces high-quality cashew marzipan and pastels.
Ay ating tikman ang mga delicacies ng Sasmuan. Isa dito ang pituklip at ang ube. Tara, kain tayo. Sarap. Sarap na. Manamis-namis. Ube.
Saka lambot, no? Sarap.
Ito ay ilan lamang sa mga pagkain na kailangan nating abangan pagpunta dito sa Sasmuan.